Today, I'm busting dangerous home maintenance myths that are costing homeowners thousands. I'm Kurt Johnston with Iron Valley Real Estate of York County. And if you watch and enjoy this video, please let us know by giving it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this one, then be sure to hit the subscribe button for more Susquehanna Valley real estate news and advice. After seeing too many clients face preventable repair bills, I need to set the record straight on maintenance misconceptions. Myth number 1, if it's not broken, don't fix it. This mindset leads to disaster. Research shows 40% of major repairs could be prevented with regular maintenance. The reality, a dirty HVAC filter seems harmless, but can cause complete system failure, costing up to $12,000. Myth number 2, professional maintenance is too expensive. Actually, annual HVAC service costs $175 to $550, but prevents thousands in emergency repairs. Compare that to replacing a failed system. It's a no-brainer investment. Myth number 3, new homes don't need maintenance. Wrong. Even new homes need filter changes, gutter cleaning, and system checks. Here's what most people don't realize. Well-maintained homes sell for 10% more than average, according to Thumbtack research. The hidden truth? Homeowners should budget 1 to 4% of their home's value annually for maintenance, not as an expense, but as protection for their biggest investment. I've watched clients spend thousands on flood damages that could have been prevented with a $200 annual gutter cleaning. The bottom line, proactive maintenance isn't optional. It's essential for protecting your home's safety, efficiency, and value. Ready to separate maintenance facts from fiction and create a plan that actually protects your investment? Let's discuss your specific situation.